The Barbaric SWL PlankLifter in a custom version, a fully remote-controlled plank vacuum lifter, specially designed for lifting layers of wooden planks using surface grippers. This individual lifter enables secure and flexible handling of an entire layer up to 1.1 meters wide or individual planks. All functions can be operated contact-free via remote control. Crane movement, trolley movement, lifting, lowering, rotating the lifter by 300 degrees, as well as activating and deactivating the vacuum system. The individually rotatable surface grippers can be manually locked at 0, 45 and 90 degrees, ideal for flexible use with various plank sizes. Our powerful vacuum pumps and dual safety warning system ensure a secure hold and maximum safety during operation. With a maximum load capacity of 250 kilograms and a stepless lifting speed of up to 10 meters per minute, the SWL PlankLifter is optimal for handling rough-sawn, trimmed and freshly cut planks up to 6 meters in length. The Barbaric SWL PlankLifter, the precise and safe solution for your solid wood material handling needs.